Hello. Good morning, children. I hope you all are fine at home. Yes, no? Yes. Myself, Shalini. I am going to teach mathematics. So, children, in our previous class, what we have discussed? Yes, we have discussed about numbers. Yes, no? Yes. In our previous class, we have discussed about the numbers. In that, we have discussed how to write the missing numbers, how to write the number names, and what are before, what are after, and what are between numbers. So, we all have learned about that. So, children, in our today's class, we are going to discuss how to write the numbers for the given number name. So, children, what is that? So, they will give you, in today's class, we are going to discuss writing the number for the given number names. So, writing numbers. So, writing numbers means what, children? Writing numbers means what? Yes, don't get confused. They will give you one number name. So, they will give you one number name. You have to write the number for it. Like in number names, all you have seen in previous class, they used to give you number like 501. So, what is this number, children? How to write the number name? What is number name? Writing the number in words, we call them as a number name. So, writing in 501 in words means, how do we write? F-I-V-E 5. So, then H-U-N-D-R-E 100 and O-N-E 1. Yes, no? This is all about writing the number name. So, opposite of that, they will give you the number name. Here, they will give you the number name. Like, let's say example, F-I-V-E 5, H-U-N-D-R-E 100, A-N-D 5, O-N-E 1. So, you need to write the number for it. So, what you have to do, children? Yes, you should read this number name and you should write the number in the given box. So, I hope you all can read it. It is 501. So, you have to write it as 501. So, second question. 326. So 326. So this is the number name. So what you have to do, children? Don't get panic. So just you have to read this number name and you have to write the number for it. So what is this number name? 326. And I hope you all know how to write 26 number. You all know how to write 26. You know how to write the number easily 26. So what it is? 326. Add 3 before that. You will get 326. Yes, no? It is easy, no? So it is 326. So one more example to take, children. 960. So you can take the example 961. You all know how to write the number 61. So, but the given thing is that 961. So, write first 9, then 61. It will become 961. So, first write 9, then you have to write 61. Then it becomes 961. Easy, no, children? Yes. So, this is all about writing numbers. So, children, today we will discuss about exercise 2.1. So, what we are going to do, children, today? Yes, we will discuss about exercise 2.1. I hope you all have read our book. Those who have, you should open it and you have to write in that. And those who don't have, don't get tense. You can take a notebook and you can write it. So, now we are going to discuss about exercise 2.1. So, children, those who have book, you should open page number 33, or you can see page number 33. Exercises 2.1. So, first bit, all you can see first bit is fill in the blanks with suitable numbers. So what is the first bit, children? You have to open page number 33. In that you have first bit, fill in the blanks with suitable numbers. So fill in the blanks with suitable numbers. Those who have the reader book, children, just open it and you can copy it. Afterwards you can practice in your notebook. And those who don't have, please write in notebook. So what is the first bit? Fill in the blanks with suitable number. It is nothing but missing numbers. Fill in the blanks with suitable number. You can call them as a missing number. So in that first A question, 99, then comma 100, comma 1. They have given you the dashes. So they have given you some dashes which are blank. So what you have to do, children? You all know fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks in English, in EVS. You all will write fill in the blanks. What you will do with this dash, children? Yes, you will fill with this dash. You will fill answer with this dash. Here also say you have to fill these dashes with the answers. So first number is 99. Then it is 100. 100 after which number, children? 101. Then 101 after 102. Then 102 after 103. Then 103 after 104. Again 104 after 105. Again 105 after 106. 106 after 107. So 108 they only have given. So how many dash they give you? Those many you have to fill. It is easy, no? It is similar like missing number, which I have explained you in the previous class. So question number B. Question number B, 120. So question number B is 120. What is this number, children? Can you read? Yes, it is 120. So what is this number? 120. And they have given you dash 120 they have given, and last number they have given you 130. So all you can see page number 33, your reader book, exercise 2.1. First bit in that A question, you can go to the B question. So B question is 120. You can read it as 120. Again then 121, 122, 123, 124, 125, 126, 127, 128, 129. So last is 130. So what you have to do, children? You have to fill the given empty blanks. What you have to do? You have to fill the given empty blanks with the answers. So what are the answers here? 120 after 121, 122, 23, so on up to 129 you need to fill. So in that again you can go to third question, C question. It is 271, 272, and they have given you the dash up to 281. So last number is 281. So up to last 281, before that what it will come? G, H, I, J. You need to complete. Please children try to do on your own. I hope you will do it on your own. So next second bit we will see. So what is the second bit? Read following numbers and write in words. So same page number children, page number 33. We will see about second bit now. So I hope you all understood first bit. Try to solve the remaining problem children on your own. Try to solve remaining on your own. Then only you will get confidence. Okay. So now we will move on to the second bit. So what is the second bit? Read the following numbers. Read following numbers and write in words. Read following numbers and writing words. So it is nothing but children writing the number names. So don't get confused with the headings. It is nothing but writing the number names. So instead of that, they have given you read following numbers and write in words. In words in the sense, number names you have to write. Okay. In that, A question is 213. So I hope children all you can read this number. What is this number? It is 230. So what is this number children? It is 230. The same you have to write in the words. What you have to do? Start writing in the words. So what is the number children? It is 2 TWO 200 HUNDRE I 200 I ANDI 30 THIR TEEN. Easy no children? Yes. So what is the first number? It is TWO 2 HUNDRE 100 ANDI THIR TEEN 30. So second question, B question. It is 439. So start writing, try yourself. Yes, you can write it as FOUR 4, HUNDRE 400, ANDI 39. So THIRTY 30, NINE 9. Easy to children? Yes. Next, write children first C question. You have to write fast. 528. So start writing. FIVE 5, HUNDRE 100, ANDI. What it is? 528. So TWTNTY 20, EIGH 8. Yes, children, I hope you will complete remaining. Yes, no? You all are good boys, good girls. So you need to complete remaining D to H. So I hope you all can read. D it is 646, E 957, F 362, G 774 and H it is 880. So we will move to our third bit. So we will move to next bit, that is third bit. What is the third bit children? So we will move to third bit now. Here opposite of this. So they will give you the number name. They will give you the number name. You have to write the number for it. So as I explained before how to write it. So write the numbers. So in exercise 2.1, third bit is write the numbers. Write the numbers. So children, don't get tensed. So here you have to write the numbers. How you have to write? Yes, they will give you the number name. For that you should write the number. So first example, 348. So A question, they have given THRW 3, HUNDRE 100, ANDI FORD 540, EIGHT 8. And they have given you the box. So children, what you have to do now here? You have to read this number name and same number you have to write in the box. So what is this number children here? 348. So all you know how to write 48. You can add 3. It will become 348. Yes, easy now. Second question. B question. 283. So second question is 200 by EIGHTY80 So will you write children? Yes. What is the number name? 283. So 283. So 283 we call it as or we read it as 283. Yes, no? Then moving to C question, it is 500. Moving to next question, it is 517. 517. So children, you have to write the number for you. How you are going to write? Yes. Read this number name. What is this? It is 517. So 517. So it is easy to. So 517. We should write it as 517. It becomes 517. So this is all about third bit. And remaining children, I hope you will complete remaining. D is 834. Again E is 725. F is 679. G is 905. And H is 450. So I hope children, today you need to complete this full exercise. First you write in this book. Reader book you should write, then neatly same you have to copy in your notebook. I hope you will do it. So first bit is what children? Page number 33. Fill in the blanks with suitable numbers. Those who don't have, don't worry. I will send a photocopy of these pages. I will send the photocopy of these pages. You can copy and you can write down in your notebook. Okay, what is the first bit children? Fill in the blanks with suitable numbers. It is nothing but missing numbers. You have to write whichever numbers are missing, you have to fill. So second bit was read the following numbers and write in words. It is nothing but writing the number names. You have to write the number names of the given numbers. And third bit, it is on page number 34. It is on page number 34. And third bit it is write the numbers. What is the third bit children? Write the numbers. In the sense, they will give you the number name and you have to write the number for it. So what you have to do children? You have to read that number name and you have to write the number for it, as I have explained here. So this is all about what children? Exercise 2.1. So in our next class, we will discuss with exercise 2.2. So in our next class, we will discuss about exercise 2.2 children. Before that, you need to complete this and you should send me back. Okay? Thank you children. Have a nice day. Be home. Be safe.